Alright guys, what's up? So we're here at OSW and it is a TRC event, that racing channel, and it's a night event, basically a normal event, but TRC is here and it's gonna be really, really big. So I'm really excited to drive today. I haven't driven in like 2 months. Last video you guys saw, we did the dyno. Car's much more peppier, tip-in's a lot better, gonna be a lot more smoother power at the real street dyno, and Fred did an awesome job tuning the car. It's been perfect, and I'm really excited to drive tonight. We're on some not that great tires because Felina was out of stock until next month, so we're gonna do what we can, have some fun. So let's go drive. Alrighty, so the event got kind of delayed like an hour, so now we drive at 8 p.m. So unfortunately, it's gonna be all night driving, and night driving is not great. I'm sorry, but at least we get to drive today, just testing. See how the car feels with the new tune. We'll do the redefined tune, and then figure out some different suspension stuff, and then just have some fun driving friends. Yeah, just GoPro normal video, and then hopefully in the next few weeks we get to the big events. So it's going really good so far, but the track is very loose. Oh my God, is it loose. And the car I had pretty hooked up too. It's still damn loose. It's very cold outside. It's loose, not fun. But I dropped my dynamic toe down the hole. Hopefully that helped a little bit. We're on acceleras and we interrupted her. But I'm on acceleras and they're trash. It's awful. I need Valinos back. Valinos are the best tire ever. Screw Accelera, but I'm just gonna burn them off because it's all I have right now, unfortunately. But next event, back to Valino when they're in stock. But it's going good. My GoPro got some footage. I can't tell if I didn't record or not. I got big boost leak over here.
All I gotta say is that I'm actually very surprised. Shulman car is running great. It's not overheating, and he's not working on the car. That's a plus. We're starting the year good.
Fuel and tires.
That's good. That's
now
good.
I get his engine rebuilt, and we're gonna drive together.
Yep.
Yep. All right, let's go drive more.
God damn. That's the sickest chase I've ever been in my life.
I can't get this one. right, so tonight is going really, really, really good. I added some dynamic toe in the rear and dropped the pressure, and it is astronomically better. So that's really good. The accelerators aren't great, but the changes I just did, it's perfect. So the car is running really good. Temps are good, oil pressure's good, motor's healthy, everything's going really, really, really good. Taking a break right now, I'll go back out in a bit, but man, this car is really good. Perfect test day, perfect event. I'm stoked. Another whole event down with absolutely zero issues, and I couldn't be more happier with the car. Oh man, I really hate not having the car gripped up, but after that one change I did, dynamic toe and some tire pressure and some shock, it made it work. I made it work for the time being, but then as soon as I hit a certain level of the tire, it just lost all grip. But we got laps. I was hucking it all night, throwing backwards entries, and I was having a bunch of fun tandeming with friends. And yeah, it was supposed to be like a TRC event, but like no one from TRC was over here. We don't even know what happened. It was like a basic like normal OSW event, but whatever. We still got the dry good seat time for the, you know, actual first comp or big event of the season comes, which is the Fuel Fest, and then Grid Life, and then some Pro-Am stuff that I'll be announcing later on too. But other than that, yeah, another OSW event down. I know it's a skid pad, but seat time, and we're testing the car, making sure it's perfect, and it's running amazing. The new and improved tune we did with Freddie has definitely improved the car's drivability, the tip in, more throttle control, it's more responsive, it's way, way, way better than before. I mean, it was great before, but now it's even better, so it's awesome. Car's awesome, we're not broken, we're chilling. Car's in the trailer, drove it in the trailer for the 4th event in the row. I'm very stoked. 2024 is gonna be huge. But once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys very soon.